Hi everyone, I'm Kaylee with the Clearview Library District, and I am here to bring you challenge number 4 for everyone who is participating in our Adult Summer Adventure Program. So we're really excited about this challenge. It's a little bit different from some of the other ones that we've done, but this time around we want you to cook something inspired by a book. It can be any book you want, it just has to mention food somewhere in it, and you have to give that recipe a try. It could be anything from maybe Ruth's fried green tomatoes, from fried green tomatoes at the Whistle Stop Cafe. Maybe it's the strawberries and cream that Joe March makes in Little Women, or something as simple as deviled eggs that are featured in The Secret Life of Bees. Really, it can be any dish you want. It can be as simple or as complex as you want. You just have to cook it yourself. If it's a recipe that you have in a book that maybe you don't have a recipe for, you can make it up yourself. Or also there's a lot of fun cozy mystery books that also include recipes in them too, if you want to look for one of those and try that out. It's really up to you. So after you get your cooking masterpiece done, we just want you to snap a photo of it and use that for your submission. You can post it on your own social media, on Facebook or Instagram, and use the hashtag ClearviewAdventure. And we can get your submission that way, or you can email it to us at submissions with an S at clearviewlibrary.org. So submissions@clearviewlibrary.org is where you'll send those to. And for the subject, you'll just put challenge number 4, so we know which one you're submitting for there. Everyone who participates in this will get entered into a random drawing to win a gift card for Rustic Roots, and you'll also be entered into the grand prize drawing that's going to happen at the end of the summer. So we've got some great prizes coming up for that, and a fun way to get entered into a drawing for them by participating in this. If you need a little bit more foodie inspiration, I hope you'll join us on August 4th at 6:30 p.m. for a different Make It Tuesday. My husband and I are going to be making a cooking video, and we're going to be doing some homemade Indian food. We're going to show you how to make butter chicken and onion bhaji, which is a really yummy kind of fried onion appetizer as well. So that'll be fun if you want to join us for that. But yeah, get cooking and have fun. Bye.